I'm here with our technician Alan today, and we're going to be asking him true or false questions. Setting your thermostat to 60 degrees cools your house faster than 72.
False.
Why?
It's like setting your microwave for a minute and a half, but it's not plugged in.
Ceiling fans actually lower the room's temperature.
False. They just move the air temperature.
An HVAC system should be serviced once a year.
False. Twice a year. Heating and cooling.
Can you tell me a little bit more about why?
If it's just once a year, you're only checking the system during the specific season that you're checking. If you only check it during summer, you have no idea what the furnace operation looks like.
You should never cover your AC unit during the summer.
True. You don't want to block the airflow because it restricts the airflow. You can probably block it during the wintertime, but not the summertime.
Running your fan constantly can help even out the temperatures throughout the house.
True. As it is circulating all the air, you have a return on mostly every single floor, and it grabs all the air and then recirculates out.
Thank you so much for answering our questions, Alan.
For sure.